This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.
You have to do frequency table, okay. Using the various methods which we learned, COUNTIF, frequency, using the pivot table, okay, using the what we have is data analysis toolbar. Then you have been given a data, and you have to create pivot tables based on the requirement over here. So PV1, PV2, PV3, very simple pivot, just to know that you can do it. Now what I have done is I have given you a screenshot, but this screenshot is based on my data. Okay, you can see that I have given you different people will have different files depending on your SAP code, okay, or SAP ID. So your numbers will be different. Sometimes you may not have that value. So as an example, I'm asking you to select Bishan, Krishna, Radha, Gaurav. You may not have a salesman like Bishan. Okay. So don't worry. Okay. You have to get a structure like this as the answer. So the idea is that everyone will do this work. Otherwise, like same values are there, people will just copy. That is why I have created this separate files for. Okay. Okay, so this is, so in this assignment you have to create some 4-5 pivot tables, one with the filter and others are normally, so that you can do drag and drop. There is no slicer. Right? So this is like very simple requirement in this assignment.
This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.